If you're looking to receive a refund in Xero, you're in the right place. In this quick Xero explanation, I'll walk you through the process step by step. Whether you're new to Xero or just need a refresher, this guide will help you navigate it smoothly. First things first, let's set the stage. Xero is a powerful accounting software that's designed to make managing your business finances easier. One key aspect you'll need to understand is how to handle refunds, especially if you're dealing with suppliers or customers. To begin, let's start by logging into your Xero account. From your dashboard, head to the banking menu and select the relevant bank account where the refund has been processed. Once you're in the right account, you'll want to find the transaction that corresponds to the refund. Click on the transaction to open it. Here's where Xero makes things simple. If the refund is linked to a previously paid invoice, Xero will automatically match it. If not, you can easily create a new refund transaction. You'll be prompted to select the relevant contact, whether it's a supplier or a customer, and ensure you categorize the refund correctly. Now you'll want to click on the Add Details button. Here, you can enter any relevant details, such as the reason for the refund, and link it to the appropriate invoice or bill. You can even add a reference number if necessary, which makes tracking these transactions easier in the long run. Once the details are filled in, it's time to save and reconcile the refund. Xero's auto reconciliation feature helps streamline this process. If the refund was part of a bank feed, it'll automatically reconcile for you, saving you valuable time. If not, you can manually match the refund to the transaction. But here's an important tip. Always double check that the refund amount matches the original transaction. It's easy to overlook, but accurate records are crucial for proper financial management. And remember, Xero isn't just for receiving refunds, it can handle a full range of accounting tasks. From invoicing to payroll to financial reporting, you can streamline your entire financial workflow with Xero. Before we wrap up, I want to let you know that you can get started with Xero for completely free. Check the first link in the description below to access an exclusive extended trial with bonuses. This trial will give you full access to all the features so you can get a real feel for how it works for your business. That's it. You've now learned how to receive a refund in Xero, and you're equipped to manage your finances like a pro. Make sure to take advantage of the free trial and see for yourself why so many businesses choose Xero to stay on top of their accounting. Thanks for watching and enjoy your Xero experience.